I passed 2 prop firm evals today, one on Apex and one on Top Step, and made over $4,000 day trading the NASDAQ. I'm going to give you the exact trade breakdown that made us that money and got us those evals passed. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I took these trades live and pass these evals live every single morning, Monday through Friday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You could have been there too and potentially even caught the same trade I did. All right, let's break down this trade and let's get into it. We took a total of 2 trades today on NASDAQ. One was a loser and one was a winner. I'm super grateful because the loser didn't ruin any of the counts. And it actually got, the first trade actually got our Apex account funded, and then the second trade got our Top Step account funded. So let's break them down. The first trade that we took today, market had a crazy push at CPI today, over a 196 point move here on this candle. So this was pre-market at 5:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or Pacific Standard Time, sorry, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And as you can see, price at market open, which was at this big candle here, left us a wick. Now, this is not the trade we took because after we got this wick here, price inverted 1-minute fair value gaps, but never gave us an entry opportunity until over here. But it was invalidated by this 5-minute sweep of liquidity here. As you can see here, these 5-minute candles left major wicks above this high. So for me, as soon as I saw this candle here, this 9:45 a.m. candle, give me this massive wick above this high, I knew, okay, shorts could be validated here, and maybe we fill the gap that was left for CPI. We got an inverse fair value gap right here. Our entry limit was at the bottom of the inverse fair value gap, got tagged in on this 9:56 a.m. candle, and then price was running to our TP very well, like doing very well. This is the one that got my Apex account funded, this move here. We only needed $900 today to get that account funded. We made that. And then the next candle literally, actually this candle that got my account funded also wicked up crazy, like some crazy like just death wick, and stopped me out. And I was like, dang it, that stinks. I was like, but let's reset. Let's not let it get into our head, and let's wait for another good opportunity. So I waited patiently. Price was kind of chopping around, and then we got this 10:55 a.m. candle here that wicked below this low to the left and left me a very large wick. And that's what I look for. I look for large wicks to give me confirmation. And not only were there 2, there are a total of 4 retests of this low here that failed to displace it. I went down to the 1-minute time frame, looked for that inverse fair value gap. And as you can see, we got that inverse fair value gap right on this candle. And we got tapped in on this 11:11 a.m. candle. And then price just shot up. Like, we literally only got 2 bearish candles in the entire move. We hit 2R. And by the time we hit 2R, I was trailing stops up pretty tightly because I was like, this is a V-shaped recovery. I want to see how far this thing goes. And I was very aggressive with stop loss on this. Because 1, I wanted to lock in a green day from this trade. And then 2, I love the momentum. I love the momentum of this trade. So I was aggressive on it. We got stopped out on this candle here, the 11:28 a.m. candle, where we put our stops at the displacement candle that had a little fair value gap right here, and we got stopped out. So here is the exact P&L that we had on our accounts. $2,739.10. Now, this does not include my Top Step account, which I can't show you my Top Step account because once you pass an eval, they actually like take away the eval account, and I should have took a screenshot, but we made another $1,500 over on that account, which made us just over $4,299. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's the math. If you add this $2,700 to my $1,500 I made on Top Step also to pass my eval. So we made over $4,000 today. There were no Bitcoin trades today, only NASDAQ trades. And we were able to capture 63.75 points on this trade. And I was pretty stoked on it with 3 contracts. Excellent, excellent trade. All right, guys, I hope this is helpful. If you follow me on Instagram and TikTok and subscribe to my YouTube channel, I am doing daily updates on my Top Step account specifically. I'm doing like a little series where I'm trading my Top Step separately of these Apex and my funded account that I have on, or my live account that I have on TradeEvate. I'm trading my Top Step account completely different. And I'm doing daily updates on my road to a payout on that account on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So go ahead, follow those accounts and stay up to date on how we're doing with Top Step. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, also, we took this trade live this morning at market open. So please come watch the live stream, come ask questions, come get to know me, and let's be profitable together. All right, everyone, I'll see you Monday at market open when we can now, one, trade our new fresh Top Step funded account, and then two, where we'll have our live stream where you can hang out and live day trade with me.